Hello students, I am Tripti and we are talking about accessory ducts. Accessory ducts are the tubular parts present in the male reproductive system and they are retate testes, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. Right? So these are accessory ducts present in male reproductive system. Out of the four accessory ducts, two ducts, retate testes and vasa efferentia. These two are present in the testes and epididymis and vas deferens are present outside to the testes. Now, the seminiferous tubules which are present inside the testicular lobule, they open in the vasa efferentia through retate testes. Right? We are talking about retate testes. Retate testes is the part which is present here. This area is retate testes. Okay. So seminiferous tubules are present inside the testicular lobules. All the seminiferous tubules, they are collected in retate testes. Right? What happens in the retate testes? Retate testes perform the function of fluid reabsorption and it makes the sperm concentrated. Right? The fluid is absorbed here so that the sperms can become more concentrated. If this function doesn't happen, then the sperm would reach to epididymis with the fluid. They will not be concentrated, which will lead to infertility. So, they perform a very important function to concentrate the sperms by absorbing the fluid present. Right? So, retate testes will open in vasa efferentia. And vasa efferentia opens in epididymis. And this epididymis is present on the posterior surface of testis. We see this structure as I have said, the vasa efferentia opens in the epididymis and which is present outside the testes. Right? So this portion is vasa efferentia opens here and it is making the epididymis. So here the vasa efferentia present and this is the epididymis. And this epididymis will open in the vas deferens. See, the red colored arrow are showing the epididymis. This is the head of the epididymis. And this portion is showing the body of the epididymis. And this U-turn, red colored U-turn is showing the tail of epididymis, which is leading to the vas deferens. Right? So, in this way, the accessory ducts are arranged. Now, vas deferens, this vas deferens ascend to abdomen and loop over urinary bladder. You see the structure here, we are talking about vas deferens. This is the vas deferens. We have seen this, the epididymis. This is the head of the epididymis. And here is the vas deferens. which is making a loop over the urinary bladder. Right? Now at this point you see, at this point the vas deferens receives a duct from seminal vesicle. Okay, see, at this point it receives a duct from seminal vesicle. We'll talk about seminal vesicle a little later. Then it opens. I am showing you the way of vas deferens. Now it opens into the urethra as the ejaculatory duct. Right? So this is the pathway. The main function is to store and transport sperm from testes to urethra. This is the main function of the male reproductive system. Urethra originates from urinary bladder and it extends through penis to external opening called urethral meatus. So urethral meatus is the external opening which you see here in the diagram. This is the urethral opening, right? The male reproductive system also includes external genitalia, the penis, which is the copulatory organ, and it is made up of a special type of tissues which are erectile in nature. And this erection helps in insemination. The enlarged and distal end of penis is known as glans penis, right? And this glans penis is covered by loose skin called foreskin. So this is about the external genitalia. Now we are going to talk about accessory glands. There are 3 accessory glands present here. Seminal vesicles, which are present in a pair. There is a single prostate gland and a pair of bulbourethral gland, which is also present in pair, right? So all these glands secrete secretion, and their secretion is called as seminal plasma, which is very rich in fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. And these glands help in lubrication, right? Lubrication of penis, as well as they also help in the lubrication of female reproductive tract.